Do you see something similar in this robot and us? Yes, this robot also has two legs, two hands, it has a head, and just like us, the brain is inside the head. So, what is special about this robot? It is a biped robot, which means bi is two and ped means leg. It's a two-legged walking robot, and what makes it more special is it has been fully 3D printed. Yes, 100% built from scratch. What more? So, in this particular module, our children will be able to learn and model objects in three-dimensional space. They understand what is meant by 3D printing and they apply shapes like cube, cuboid, and they can model it and understand geometry better. So what we're going to learn in this particular course, which is called the Bi-Ped Bot, 3D printed walking robots. Let us now explore DIYA's Bi-Ped Bot kit, the 3D printed walking robot. Step 1. Our students will be doing the mechanical assembly of the 3D printed parts of Otto's body. Step number 2. We have all the electronics and embedded systems being assembled. Step number 3. We are going to program the robot to make sure it functions as per the commands of our students. Let us now see Otto in action. So as soon as we power it up, our Otto is saying hi by the wave of a hand. Then our Otto walks forward. And just like any person, when it senses an obstacle, it stops, steps a bit backward, then it is going to see if there are any obstacles in the front, and if not, our Otto moves forward. It also has the power of touch. So when I touch our robot, it can respond to us through a message and also a small dance move. And not just this, much more can be done. For example, what if our robot can perform moonwalk like Michael Jackson, or sing, present and dance for a happy birthday song for a dearest friend? Anything is possible with infinite imagination and lot more capabilities. So wishing you all the best to become DIYA's Bi-Ped Bot. Thank you.